In this video, we're going to just have a look at taking a reciprocal. And all that means is it basically just means flipping what's inside the brackets upside down. So we're going to have, I can put a bracket around that, and I could put a bracket around this term. And we could do the same to both sides of the equation. So I'm just going to put -1, -1. And then that's going to go and become A over the top of B is equal to D over the top of C. And this is a handy thing that we can use for transposition, or when we're trying to solve equations, or when we're trying to rearrange equations. If we flip what's on the left-hand side, we can also flip what's on the right-hand side. But make sure you've only got one term on each side. And how does this magical thing work? Well, I'm going to just show you now. So we're going to have, if we have B over A is equal to C over D, which is what we started with. And I could multiply both sides by A. And then, so what's that's going to do? That's going to put that A up there. And I could multiply both sides by D. So then I'd have that D up there. And now we don't have any lines over. So we've got BD over CA. Let me write that the other way around. So I'm going to have CA equals BD. And now what I can do is if I was to divide both sides by B, I would end up moving, we would end up having that B underneath there. And if we were going to divide both sides by C, we would end up with that, which is AB equals DC. Yeah, I hope that helps. Let me know if you want a further breakdown of that. Those workings I did kind of quick, and I'm not sure if that's going to be confusing or not, but let me know if it is. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.